Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see about Armstrong number. So let us understand what is Armstrong number. So if a number is equal to sum of the cube of its own digits. Okay, so if a number is equal to sum of the cube of its own digits, it is called as an Armstrong number. Let's say 153. Okay, this is what the example which we usually use for Armstrong number to explain Armstrong number. So what is sum of the cube of its own digits? It means that so if we split this digit, that is we have three digits here, 1, 5 and 3. Okay, so sum of the cube of its own digits, in the sense 1 is to 1, which is the cube of the first digit. Then 5 is to 5, and 3 is to 3, and this is sum. We are going to do the sum here. Okay, so 1 is to 1 plus 5 is to 5 plus 3 is to 3. That is cube. So 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. Hope you understand the concept. That is, number is equal to sum of the cube of its own digits. It is called as a Armstrong number. Usually Armstrong number is also called as narcissistic number. Okay, so here we'll see the example using Python code. So we are getting the number from the user, that is input, using the function input, enter the number. Okay, since we are going to do the sum, we are assigning sum is equal to 0 initially. And then we have to allocate, like there will be some temporary allocation. So temp is equal to number. That is, we are allocating the number which is obtained from the user to the variable temporary. Okay, temp. Why? Because we have to do some basic calculations, and that should not affect the original number, because here we have to do the number is 153. In the sense we are going to split 1, 5 and 3. So this should not be affected. The main number should not be affected. So we are assigning the main number, that is the number which is obtained from the user, to a temporary number, temporary variable, which is called as a temp. Okay, so here in this program we will be using two main concepts. One is while loop and if condition. Okay, so in while loop, why we have to use a loop? In the sense we have to iterate till it reaches the digits, that is it calculates the digits in the given number. For example, if I am giving 21, okay, for example, so it should iterate for 1 and also for 2, and then finally it has to add these two number. Okay, that is the cube of these two digits. So in order to do so, I am using a while loop. Okay, while temp is greater than 0, and we have to check whether the number is greater than 0 or not. It should be 1, 2, 3, anything, but it should be greater than 0. And then if it is greater than 0, then we have to do modulus 10, because we are supposed to split the number into individual digits. Okay, if it is 153, in the sense we have to separate 1 and 5 and 3. Okay, so for that we are going to use this modulus, and then after doing that we are going to add that with a cube. Okay, so we are using the star, which is used to power cube, and temp divided by is equal to 100. So in order to divide, we have to use double slash in Jupyter. Okay, in Python. So in some other program it will be like single slash is fine, but in Python we have to use double slash in order to divide it. Okay, the double slash is equal to 10. So here we are using it. Okay, so this is what we are getting. We are splitting a whole number into a digit, and then we are using cube root and then plus, adding it. Okay, if number is equal to sum, which is the result will be stored in the sum, and we are comparing this to the initially the number which we are obtaining from the user with the added number. Okay, so we are comparing this, and if it is equal to sum, then it is an Armstrong number, and if it is not equal, that is after doing the cube root and after splitting everything and doing the calculations, if that expected, that is actual output, is equal to the input, then it is an Armstrong number, else it is not an Armstrong number. Hope you understand the concept. So let's run the program now. So if you execute it, we'll ask you for the number. So if you give 153, which is default, it is an Armstrong number, because 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 153. And if we execute 27, 2 cube plus 7 cube is not an Armstrong number. Okay, so hope you understand the concept. So in my further videos and lectures, you will come to know about various Python programs and concepts about Python. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and comment. If you feel any particular concept, you are feeling difficult about a particular concept, you can just comment that program or concept in the comment box, and surely I will clear you the doubts and make you clear about the concept. Thank you. Bye bye.